So today again we will discuss this smart trade indicator and how it work in the Nifty futures and what are the levels, how it is reacted, and how the trade confluence can be made. So as usual, before means using this indicator, you must have a good uh, conclusive level based on the market profile or volume profile. So in our Quantower indicator, in our Quantower software, we have this TPO chart. So in the TPO chart, what you can do here is this is the today's profile and this is yesterday's market profile. So what you can do, you can draw a level that is value area high and low. So this is the a light color which is in the bright color, which we can mark a level that is called a value area high. So this is the value area high of previous day and this is the value area low of a previous day. We will also mark a POC level as well. So this is the POC level where we can mark a previous day's auction. So this is a previous day's market profile, and what we have done, we have marked a value area low, POC, and the value area high. So these are the important three levels for the today's trading session. So ideally this you will mark before the session open or the end of the yesterday's session. Okay, so we have marked these three level and we will see the reaction at this price level, and that will be easy identification based on our smart trade indicator. So this work has been done, and we can also mark if these are the previous level, and on the upper side this is also a value area high of day before. This is on the 12th of May, value very high. Okay, so this we have marked here, and let us go into the 3-minute chart, and then we will see how the price has been reacted at this different level. Okay, so before we look into today's session, uh, let's see what happened in the previous day. Okay, so in the previous day, the market, let us hide the indicator first. So market has been open in this area around 23,460. It went down and then swinging up and down, and it closed into this here. So if you see here, this is a complete value area, means most of the volume has been traded into this range. Okay, so market to get trending. Okay, so price has to be accepted into the outside of this range. So either to get the trend, price has to go into this direction or price has to go or break into this direction. Okay, so this is the way price will be discovered into the different range. Okay, into this area or into down area. Okay, so what happened here? First of all, in today's market has been open here, it broke the value area high. Okay, but when it broke the value area high, it got the rejection here. Okay, so now let us turn on our indicator and then see where it got the rejection. Okay, so if you see here, this area, this is the power trades. That means and those are shown in the green. That means the maximum buying has been happen here previous day. Okay, even though the maximum buying has been happen here in this area, the price not able to move into the upper direction. That means here there are the limit sellers active. All the buyers who are the late buyers here, okay, those buyers got trapped here, and the price has been moved into the downside, and even it is close into the opposite direction of this buyer. That means the sellers are active here. So what you can do, you can mark this zone as a selling zone. So what I can do, this I will mark as a seller. So this red zone is a selling zone. Okay, so because the buying has been happen and all the buying has been absorbed by the limit seller. So what happened today? Exactly the same scenario. Market open here and it broke the value area high, and exactly at the same level the buyers has been trapped here. Okay, so this is the way you can identify whether the buying has been success or buying has been failure. Okay, so this indicates the buying has been failed here, exactly the same level where the uh, previous trap has been happened. So limit sellers are still active here. So even though there is a 350 contract and uh, 388 contract buying here, the price not able to move up. So these are the late buyers who tried to do a breakout of the previous high, but still they could not. Okay, so the limit selling is still active. So we can say this is a selling zone again, and the price went completely into the downside. So what happened again? The price moved inside the previous day's value area high and low. So if you see here, the price did the same swing, means travel completely to the same range as per the yesterday's range. Now if the price has to go down, the price has to move into this direction. Okay, so either it consolidate here and then it breaks to the previous day value area low. But exactly the same symptoms happening. If you see here, this is one seller 293 contract has been sold. Here has been selling has been happen, and exactly the same way the selling has been happen. So these are called the a trap seller, or we can say opposite direction. Those are the limit buyers who are absorbing all the sellers. If you see in the top, those are the buyers. Okay, that means there are the limit seller who are absorbing these things. Here we have a limit buyer who are absorbing these all the selling pressure. So now the selling has been absorbed here, the price has been moved, and at the POC level we have a continuation. Even though the price was moving, the seller was trying to sell. Okay, but they were not able to sell it, and at this point we could able to see we got one buying indication that 192 contract has been bought. Okay, so that is the indication that the price are not able to going down, and they're not able to break this level, previous day value area low level. And how we can easily find it? If you have if you see, you can also use this price action levels and all those stuff, but we don't know whether here the buyers are aggression or the sellers are aggression, what is really happening. So when you turn on the indicator, okay, we can clearly see the selling pressure is there, but the price is not able to go into the down direction, but the price has been holding there. Okay, so the seller pressure has been absorbed by the limit buyers. Now what happened when the price moved above value area high? Okay, so this is the previous day's value area high. When the price move above the value area high, we have can see all the shorts, okay, who tried in the yesterday's session, even in the today's session, on all the short people here. Okay, they will get in the pain, and they are in the negative PNL, and they will try to cover their position. And here we can see all the continuation of the green buying power. So this is the indication that the breakout is going to be successful or not. Okay, so here we can see 307, 116, every contract has been broken. And this candle, if you see here, this candle is completely pierced the both zone. Okay, so this zone is completely been pierced by this the buying power. The price has been retest and move into the upper direction. Okay, so this is the way you can find how the our TPO chart level, so which we have found at this TPO chart level, how we can confirm the price discovery or the reaction based on the smart trade indicator. Okay, so these, even though these are the power buying that has been absorbed by the selling, the first reaction they move down. Same way opposite here, so those are the ping pong levels, and then they did you can say this as a double bottom. The price moved up multiple times, and then they did the breakout. Okay, so this is the way you can identify the price discovery based on the different levels. Okay, and with the use of this smart trade indicator. So in the smart trade indicator, what you can see here in the green and the red and the different size is the number of contract has been bought in a very short time frame. So if you see here, if I open this indicator settings, okay, we called it as a big trades. Okay, so how the big trade has been found, the aggression sensitivity we have given as a 100 millisecond. So within 100 millisecond, okay, if we find the contract above 100, okay, so that is the large institution order, or the big order has been placed in a single order, then we will see this small bubbles here that will be indicated as a big trade. Okay, so we can see even though there are the big trades of the selling, the price not able to go down. Here we got the breakout. Okay, so this is the way you can identify uh, different levels with respect to the auction market theory, means the volume, the market profile, and at the market profile how the price has been reacted, you can easily identify with respect to this indicator. Again, indicator shows what the current market activity is, but we need to see the reaction at our important level. It is not like that you just buy because it just show 109 contract or 200 contract has been traded, but how the price has been reacted at different level, that will be easy identification. Okay, so if you want to try out this indicator, you can send me an message in the Discord, and all the complete indicator documentation is available in the description in the my Notion website, that you can read, and how different trade opportunity can be created based on the confirmation. Okay, so thank you. In the next subsequent video, we will see how the indicator behaves with respect to the level. Okay, guys, thank you. See you again in the next video.